Hey, my name's Jason Baugh. I'm a sales rep at Intermountain Wind and Solar. We're really excited because we just finished installing 175 panels on Ray's Auto Body located in Ogden, Utah. The owner's really excited that it was just turned on and we have a really nice sunny day here where everything's fired up, everything's working great. We're excited to see how big of a difference this is going to do over the next couple months and make any adjustments if we need to. This system is a 54.25 kilowatt system, which means it's offsetting about 10 regular homes in the area worth of power use. So this is a really good sized system. It's not small, it's not super big. It's kind of in that soft spot where a lot of small businesses fit, and offsetting 10 homes in the area is a really big difference. With this size of a system, they're going to be saving over $13,000 a year. What that means over the next 30 years with inflation is they're going to be saving approximately $1.1 million in avoided cost to the utility company. That means growing their business and making sure that they're going to be here for the long run, and they're going to be able to provide the service that they'd really like to without the cash constraints that large power bills really do to small businesses. If you're a small business owner looking to see if solar is a good or right fit for you, let us know. We'd love to do an analysis on your situation and find out if it is a good fit for you. We'll let you decide.